Tapi ni tak besar tau. Tu lagi besar. Ni. Lagi besar.
Just chilling. There's a baby monkey.
There's a bunch of little baby ones.
There's a whole bunch.
See the baby monkey?
So we're here at Botanic Gardens, which is pretty cool because it's the first time that we've gotten to come back since the whole lockdown for months and it being closed. So we were able to come. You just have to sign in and get your temperature taken. And I think they're limiting the number of people coming, but there doesn't seem to be many people. So is this your favorite water dispenser?
Yes. It is? Okay, press it. This is my favorite water dispenser because it's actually, the temperature of this is
Like frozen temperature?
It's like frozen temperature. It's awesome. It's not like a regular. It's like, oh yeah, it's just cold. No, this is super cold. It's almost icicles in it too. You could feel
ice
the
crystals.
Icicles. Yes, ice crystals.
This is so cold.
All right, good.
The best. This is why you wanted to come here. So they call this a drink. Yes, water.
He drinks it whole.
This is the one that Cyrus drinks it all. It's
So
so
cool and fresh.
refreshing cold. It's like,
And if you don't want
So you can only sit on one half of the bench. Just in case you were going to sit next to a stranger at Botanical Gardens, which I feel like you wouldn't do. It's dark. This is definitely shady. A shady place.
yeah, shady because there could be vipers hanging from the top.
Shady part of town.
Viper.
Why do you always talk about snakes? There's a speed bump on this little trail into the jungle. I don't know, I'm guessing in case you're riding a motorcycle? Excited. Leech?
Want to touch it? Touch it.
that's a leech.
No, it's no bite. No bite. Touch.
Leech, good job, Sai. Whoa, look at that. Oh, what do you think?
Touch it. Touch it.
No, no touch.
Papa touch it. Papa touch it.
Look,
Touch.
it wants to escape. It always wants to escape. I don't know what that is.
But if you guys know, tell us in the comments.
Yeah, if you know what this is, tell us in the comments. It's like, it looks too short to be a millipede. Maybe it's a short millipede.
Maybe it's a centipede.
Maybe. Yeah, length kind of.
Centipedes look different.